Today, the easiest thing to do is make you some salmon croquettes. Open up your can and drain the juice. Once you have drained the juice, you want to clean out all of the fish skin and the fish bones so that your salmon is clean and ready to patty up, season, and fry. Make sure you're thorough, getting out all those little bones, all that skin. Get out them skin and bones. Get out them skin and bones. Yeah, get out them skin and bones. Mix it up. Add your seasonings. Be careful not to add too much salt because salmon is a salty fish. Add in the seasonings you like. I like to add salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley. And then I like to break up an egg and take out that baby. You see that baby pointing at? Take that baby out. Take the baby out, throw it away, both ends, and mix up what's left, which is your yolk and your egg whites. Mix it good. I've already made up one batch of salmon patties. I am showing you how to make it with my second batch. Put it all together. I forgot to add a lemon juice squeeze as well. I like to use rice flour because I'm allergic to gluten. And so rice flour is a gluten-free flour, which I like to use. Put in your rice flour to help thicken it. Mix it up well until the flour disappears. Mix, 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 mix. Now you want to set up your meat, patty it up, roll it in your cornmeal, and set it down. I added a little more flour to make it a little bit thicker to make the patty stick together better. Patty, dunk, plate. Patty, dunk, plate. Patty, dunk, plate. Patty, dunk, plate. Now put those first 6 in the fryer, and then I will come back and patty up the next 6 for our next pan. Here we go. Patty, dunk, plate. Patty, dunk, and flip, plate. I'm trying to make 12 total. The first batch was 6, the second batch is 6. Patty, dunk, plate. We're at 4 now. Patty, dunk, plate. Patty, here's our last one. Let's get it, even if it's small. Patty, dunk, and plate. Okay, we'll be back shortly. Here's our finished product. Yay, look how beautiful that is.
There are 11
nice
of them
and golden.
One
of them I've eaten already. There were 12, but now there are 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
All right, I know I didn't show you.
So delicious, so yummy, so healthy.
Cook it on medium
because it's salmon.
What else?
Not healthy because it's fried, but because it's
fire.
Fish.
Watch it once
and it's
you see
cheap
browning
and
and you see
inexpensive
brown on the bottom,
for
then
your
flip
whole
it
entire
solid,
family. Put it on a
still
hamburger
breakable,
bun
and you're good.
and enjoy.
All right, thank you so
Love
much.
you.
And have
Hugs
a great
and love.
day.
The glowing team.